Should she graduate in 4 years or 5 years with only 21 college credits left? You know, that's the question that I had someone just ask me. Listen, in this video, I'm going to show you why it may be more important for you to graduate in 5 years than in 4 years. Watch this video.
Hey!
Hey, what's up? I'm Canton Simmons. Hey, I just got a question from a good friend who has a mentee, and the question basically goes like this. Hey, Canton, I have a friend, well, actually, she's a mentee who has a 3.2 GPA. Right now, she has 21 credit hours left to graduate from college. Should she try to get all 24 credits in and graduate in 4 years, or should she roll some of those credits over to another year and graduate in 5 years? So my answer to this would be this. Roll over the other credits to the next year. Like, don't overwhelm yourself trying to take 21 credit hours in one semester. My recommendation would be to roll take about 15 credit hours and roll the other 6 over into the next school year. But here's what you want to do. You want to also have an internship. Yeah, you want to have an internship. So I will balance that by saying, hey, go into the 5th year, finish those last few credit hours, and find an internship during the summer months as well as that school year where you can start working in your field. Because now when you graduate, you're going to graduate with a degree and you're going to graduate with some work experience in your field. So rather than trying to graduate in 4 years and cram those 21 credit hours in there and you have a 3.1 GPA, I would say in this last semester, listen, balance everything, get those grades as high as possible to raise that GPA, and roll it over to another additional year where you can take fewer classes, but you can also work on having an internship. Because when you graduate now, you're looking for a job. Corporations and companies are looking for people who not only have the GPA, who not only have the grades, but also have the work experience. So that would be my recommendation for that student, as well as anyone else who are considering, what they should do with the last few years of their college degree. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. Now, if this video has been beneficial to you, I want you to do 3 things for me. Number 1, I would love for you to like and subscribe to this channel. That way, when I produce new videos and new content, you'll be notified first of the videos that come out. Number 2, I want you to think about another student or another parent or educator that could use this video or videos like these, and be so kind to share this video with them. And number 3, I want you to leave me a comment down below and let me know practically how you can use the content in this video so that you can succeed in school and succeed in life. I'm Canton Simmons, the coolest guy with 7.25 fingers. And remember this, there's only one game in life that counts, and that's your A game. I'll talk to you soon.